There is a new line from 3Quarter Designs all the way from New Zealand in store. Yes, it is in stock and it is called Paper Tales. And if you are a maybe grunge or vintage paper lover, you're going to love this line. It's going to be perfect for you because that's what it's all about. It's about the beautiful vintage parchment papers, ledgers, etc. And it's got a little bit of a grungy twist to it or feel, because again, those papers look like they've been aged. So let's take a look and start it with the 12 by 12. Now, as a reminder, if you are new to 3Quarter Designs, the 12 by 12 collection is loaded. It includes 10 12 by 12 double-sided papers. It includes 2 designs printed on the back of the cover, so you get a bonus here and a bonus here on the back. Now, the back also features some inspirational photos, so if you struggle with layouts or inspiration ideas or layering, these are really great to use for that purpose. In addition, it also includes some of the cutoff strips with photo mats. So you're going to notice quite a few of these, 12 to be exact. And then it's also going to include elements and it's going to include words. So it's basically all in one. You get ephemera, you get photo mats or cutoff strips, which you could use for belly bands, cards, front backgrounds, that kind of thing. Plus you get your 12 by 12 double-sided papers, to 10 of those. Okay, let's take a look at this beautiful collection. And here we have the back cover. So as I mentioned, the front and the back covers are going to have some really great free elements. And if you notice, oh, before I get to those, you did notice hopefully that the pages also have these great sentiments and quotes here on the bottom. Rough edges tell the most honest stories. Paper remembers what the heart dares to write. Love all those. So you've got all those, but then we have all those beautiful cutoff strips. These are single-sided, 12-inch to 12 inches across, and you get quite a few of those, including additional ephemera cut aparts. Oh, look at these beautiful postage stamps too. So you can see there is a ton. Oh, look at these mini little books. Gorgeous sentiments. What a picture. Enjoy the moment. I'd go anywhere for your smile, anywhere. Oh, tickets, bingo, parchments, torn papers, and buttons as well. So all those are also included. You can see it's just a plethora of them. And then we've got our punch outs. So these are pre-cut. All you have to do is pop them out. Oh, sorry, my camera's not wanting to focus there. It's overwhelmed with all the beautiful elements, including postcards, clocks, jars, and more. Okay, so that is the 12 by 12. As you can see, it is massive. It is a very, very large collection. It's got everything that you need, which is why it's called 3Quarter Designs, because in the 12 by 12, you get 3/4 of everything that you can possibly want or need. Okay, the 8 by 8 is slightly different. You're going to get, yes, the same 12 papers. You're going to get them in an 8 by 8 size. You are going to get 2 die cut sheets and then 1 8 by 8 page of tags. So because that is a little bit different, I am going to go ahead and show you that one as well. Okay, and that is the lovely 8 by 8 collection. Then we also have in stock the mini project sheets. So these are an A4 size, heavy GSM paper cut apart, which usually includes a base, which in this case would be the tag, and then all this lovely ephemera that you can use and layer to create some really fun projects. Now, in the past, I have, of course, used it just the way that it is, but I've also used this on a canvas, and I'll try and link that video here at the end so that you guys can see just how versatile these can be, because you can layer them up, you can add dimension, you can make them quite substantial as well. Love that beautiful pen. Okay, then we've got two other items. One is going to be the 6x4 card making pack, and one's going to be one of the newest releases, which is a new SKU or product that they've brought in, which is the Give Me More pack. So let me show you let's do the 6x4 first. Okay, now this is a card making pack. The card making pack is, of course, fabulous for cards. It's also great for making really quick journals because you're going to get your pre-cut and pre-scored 6x4 cards. Okay, so you get all six of those, and they're really nice, heavyweight. This is not flimsy paper at all. The paper quality is fabulous. You get 3 landscape and 3 portraits. You're also going to get 16 double-sided papers with ephemera items and words, and then 2 of the A5 die-cut pages. So you get quite a lot in the card kit pack. On the back, you also have some photos, once again, for inspiration. So it's really nice because if you are not sure or what, just want some ideas, somewhere to start, these are just wonderful for that purpose. So let's take a look. We've got some gorgeous ephemera. Okay, again, these are the punch outs that we have seen. We also have now these wonderful mats. And you can see where you can cut those, and you can use either side, but they're so pretty that you could also just fold them and again have some really great instant journal starters. And then we've got some new sentiments. And this one's got a little bit of everything from well done to congratulations, happy birthday, celebrate you and me, with deepest sympathy. So it's got all those sentiments that we need from time to time. And that is the lovely, amazing card pack. Okay, now in addition to that, as I mentioned, we also have Give Me More pack. Now, if you're looking for anything 3/4 designs, we have quite a nice selection. So make sure you check the online store for not only this collection, but others. They have a very fun, different, well, there's a little bit of everything. They go from grunge to pink to mystical to fairies. I mean, we've got it all. So make sure you check out the selection from 3/4 designs in our online store. But let me show you the Give Me More pack. So the Give Me More pack is a really different concept. It is a little bit of everything. So you're going to get 20 sheets that are 5.5 by 3.5. They're double-sided. It's going to include your tuck and play. If you are familiar with 3/4 designs, you remember they used to have a product called the tuck and place, which I love. We have done lots of different classes and craft alongs with the tuck and place here on this channel. So you have a lot of videos and inspiration for that. It's also going to include 4 A5 envelopes. It's going to include pocket pages, sticker sheets, vellum, and rice paper. So it is everything. It's just a little bit of anything you could need, whether you are a junk journaler or a card maker or a scrapbooker. in addition to that, you're going to get all these great ideas as well, because these are great for just kind of looking at them at a glance and realizing, oh, okay, I've got this plus the paper clip, plus I can do a clock. So great way to, at a glance, take a look at what's in the pack. We've got our sticker sheet, a mini rice paper, a vellum sheet. Then we've got, let me grab these real quick, our double-sided papers. And these are different than what we've seen. So you're not duplicating what you have already received in the other items. So it's a great way to extend your collection as well. You can see there's some horizontal, some vertical. Of course, the backs are always pretty neutral, so you could use those as well. Always on my mind. Love that. And I love this little file folder here. Postcards. And then we've got some great pockets. They are double-sided, so should you decide for whatever reason that you want to use this side instead of the pockets, but I think these are great for your journals. These are great for your scrapbooking interactive pages, just a place to tuck in some additional photos, maybe some memorabilia, some ephemera. And, oh, this way, this one. All right, so you can see just how much also comes in the Give Me More pack. They're all very generous packs. Of course, all of the items that you have seen here are available in our online store. So make sure you check it out. We greatly appreciate it. It is saxcrafts.com, or you could also go through spectrumartcreations.com. They are both the same store. I'm also going to leave a coupon code in the description box for you so you can get some percentage off, because we all love a good savings. Now, giveaway time. Yes, we're doing a giveaway. So once this video reaches 20 comments or more, the giveaways will start rolling in. The more comments we have, the more giveaways we're going to do. So make sure you leave your comment, and of course, pass it along to your friends and in your crafty groups and in your social media, because the better your odds are going to be to win if we get more comments as well. So don't forget, leave a comment down below, share it with your friends. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, well, we certainly hope that you will hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you can be notified every time that we go live, upload new videos, do product reviews, craft alongs, classes, live sales, and more. Okay, I'm going to leave 2 more videos here at the end for you. Make sure you take a look at those, including that canvas one, using the mini project sheet. I'll see you there. Bye.